この世の中を生きていくのは楽な作業じゃない。ていく。
To go on, to start, is used to indicate the continuation or progression of an action into the future. It suggests that an action is ongoing and will continue.
あなたは昨晩、素晴らしい夕食を作ってくれた。てくれる。
To do something for someone is used to express that someone does something for the speaker or on the speaker's behalf. It indicates a favor received.
急がないと、そろそろ残り時間がなくなってきた。てくる。
To come to become, to continue, is used to indicate the action of coming toward the speaker. It's often used to describe someone bringing something to the speaker.
家賃は月々の最終木曜日に払ってもらう。てもらう。
To get somebody to do something. Used to express the idea of receiving a favor or having someone do something for you.
何が起こっても頑張るんですよ。ても。
Even if, even though, is a conjunction used to express even if or no matter whether. It indicates a condition that, if fulfilled, doesn't affect the main statement.
私のどんなことを知っておきたいのか。ておく。
To do something in advance is used to indicate doing something in advance or preparing for the future. It implies taking some action now for a later benefit.
それは知らなかった。電話してくれてよかった。てよかった。
I'm glad that is used to express relief or satisfaction about a past action or decision.
あなたのお弁当を食べてすみません。てすみません。
I'm sorry for is a polite expression used to apologize.
市民たちは死に対する信頼を全く失ってしまった。てしまう。
To do something by accident, to finish completely, is used to indicate completion of an action, often with a nuance of regret or unintended consequences.
窓を開けると部屋にほこりが入る。と。
If, when, and is used to express a condition or situation under which a certain result or action will occur.